Hi, I'm Shaun from Brampton Technology, and I'm going to show you how to use PRO-FIX Rapid Cure. Step 1. Preparing the components. Correct shaft preparation is crucial in creating long-lasting durable bonds. Make sure all surfaces are free of any contaminants, dust, oil, or old epoxy residue. If the shaft has a shiny surface, it is recommended that it be abraded, as this will ensure the epoxy has something to grab onto. Step 2. Prep all the materials. Ensure all the necessary materials are on your workbench before starting. This will allow you to maximize the work life of the epoxy to ensure the strongest bonds. Step 3. Dispensing the epoxy. Before opening, place the cartridge tip end up. This will allow trapped air to rise to the top. Then remove the cap from the plunger and cut off the tips of the cartridge. Gently press the plunger to release the air. This will ensure that the epoxy will dispense evenly from both sides. Dispense equal amounts of Part A and Part B. Only dispense enough for one club, as Rapid Cure has a 3-minute work life. A 1-inch bead of epoxy is enough for one club. Step 4. Mixing the epoxy. Mix thoroughly for 20 to 30 seconds until the product has a uniform color. Do not remix the material at any time during use. Step 5. Applying the epoxy to the shaft. Apply a liberal amount of epoxy to the shaft. Examine all surfaces for complete coverage. Step 6. Applying the epoxy to the club head. Apply a liberal amount of epoxy into the neck of the club head. We recommend using a dowel to ensure that the inside diameter is thoroughly coated. Step 7. Inserting the shaft. Insert the shaft into the neck of the club head, using a twisting motion to ensure complete epoxy coverage. Step 8. Remove any excess epoxy. Clean all excess epoxy with an alcohol wipe. Step 9. Allow the club to fully cure. Leave the club undisturbed to cure. Do not move the club until the epoxy is fully cured, or the bond strength will be significantly reduced. The club will be fully cured in 10 minutes. Step 10. Test the bond. Before moving the club, you should always test the epoxy on the mixing plate. Confirm the epoxy is hard and has no tackiness. Also test that the applicator is firmly attached to the mixing plate. Now your club is ready for play or regripping.